was a boy, a very strange, enchanted boy. They say he wandered very far over land and sea. A little shy and sad of eye, but very wise was he. And then one day, one magic day, he passed my way. And while we spoke of many things, fools and kings, this he said to me: the greatest thing you'll ever learn is just to love and be loved in return. Why, oh, why, oh, why, oh, why, oh, why, 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 oh, why, oh, why, oh, why, oh, why, sitting by the ocean, my heart should feel so sad. Sitting by the ocean, my heart just feels so sad. Don't got the money to take me back to Trinidad. Fine Calypso woman, she cooked me shrimp and rice. Fine Calypso woman, she cooked me shrimp and rice. These Yankee hot dogs don't treat my stomach very nice. In Trinidad, $1 buy papaya juice, banana pie, 6 coconuts, 1 female goat, plenty fish to fill the boat, 1 bushel bread, 1 barrel of wine, and all the town she comes to dine. But here's the bad: $1 buy a cup of coffee and a ham on rye. Me throat, she's sick from necktie. Me feet hurt from shoes. Me pocket full of empty. I got Calypso blues. These Yankee girls give me big scare. Is black the root? Is blonde the hair? Her eyelash falls, her face is paint and pads. I wear the girl, she ain't. She jitterbugs when she should waltz. I even think her name is false. But Calypso girl, good a lot. Is what you see, is what you got. Sitting by the ocean, my heart should feel so sad. Don't got the money to take me back to Trinidad. Wow, 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 yeah. Wow, 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 yeah.